The local school district told us about a book bus they were trying to put together so they could bring kids story time and lunches throughout the summer. Oh good, they left snacks for us. Robertson County has one of the lowest literacy rates in the country. So when I told the guys about this project, they all offered to come down on a Saturday and donate their time to make a special place for all the kids to enjoy story time and hopefully develop a love for reading. Maker Table, we donated all the material and didn't charge a dime for all this work because we don't want their budget to get in the way of these kids learning. We really want to be good citizens in our local community. I personally have a deep passion for influencing the things around me for the better. Don't be one of those people that gets distracted by who the next president is going to be when there's hundreds of opportunities to have a direct and positive impact right where you live.
Reading is really important because you can learn about the whole world around you, but also reading about worlds that don't even exist yet, people have just thought of.
We live in a rural area, so school is a major resource for these kids to get guidance, leadership, education, values, and unfortunately, even sometimes basics like food. So when school lets out every summer, some of these kids are left without any of that support. That's why this bus is so important to all of us down here at Maker Table.
We're building a mobile library for going around the county and around the city to help out kids and elderly that can't get out, can't get to the library to get more education and better themselves.
Nothing really aligns with our values more than making a space for people to learn and grow. It's literally what we're trying to do here every day. It was important for us to get this project right. That way the kids would have a space to learn that lasts generations. I'll blur your face out.
I want the black lines like all the operators get, like the little, just the black.
Just like your OnlyFans?
Yes. Only welders.
I came in so that way the kids of Robertson County will be able to actually have an event to go to, so a bus to ride on, and be able to hear stories, you know, in their neighborhood instead of having to go down to the library every day where they may not have transportation and stuff like that.
We also wanted to add some bright colors and keep the finish level high so they wouldn't feel like they were an afterthought or that we just slapped something together. So we did the full service on this build. We started with a full 3D model of the bus and all the features we're going to offer the kids. We know the main purpose of the bus is for story time, so we made a mini auditorium kind of feel inside the bus with a stage complete with a book display shelf. I wanted to catch the daydreamers during the summer story time, so we made this a book wall that shows off all the colorful covers of each book. That way, the kids can think about what book they're going to take home after story time. We also built a long bench along the wall that has storage areas for more books and some rugs that they can pull out to accommodate extra kids during their book stops. After we had story time taken care of, we had to change gears and make a storage area for the county nutrition program. We measured some of their coolers and made some custom-sized cubbies with wood tops to act as a storage and a small prep area for them to prepare and pass out meals. This book bus turned out way better than I expected. So many people in the community jumped in and donated their time and energy to this book bus. I'm like seriously impressed by all the people that are willing to support the children in their efforts to read. Really like to say thank you to Danielle. She was like the main point person with the county that I worked with here, and tons of other people jumped out of the community. Just really thank you to everybody. If you thought this was cool, hit subscribe, hit like, please follow along, and go to makertable.com and find something special to give as a gift this season. Really appreciate you guys. Happy making.
Ah, a butterfly! See, I told you not to have anything fly.